Good morning, everyone. This is Vendela from Trivedi. Now we are going to on a group discussion. The topic is the future of scope exploration. According to future of space exploration, according to my point of view, we need the space exploration to build ourselves. Like we have to know the what is going in the space uh, to survive our life, not only on the earth, on the space. Recently we have seen that the Japan is trying to arrange the living creatures or living things. They are trying to check whether there is a scope of living on moon.
And weather conditions and soil availability for cultivations and further air was not available or not, and gravity was will be a disadvantage of ours to live in the space. And one of the disadvantages is climate changes. For every second the climate change will be occurs in the space because of gravity. So many rocks will be
That's true.
meeting together and
Yes,
destroy
Dinesh,
us.
as you say, climate changes, nowadays summers are really extreme and winters are really cold. To overcome these issues, we can explore the space and find what's happening in the space and we can solve that thing. What do you think about it, Shravati?
Yes, right, is right. We explore space and some uh, in first India is step on the moon, and in moon the living also is there.
Small change of climate, that's why is a
Not only the climate, we have to see the all over all the conditions in the space. Mostly we are sending the satellites for like for example Chandrayaan 2 for examining the moon conditions or space conditions. We are launching many satellites into the space.
Like physical and chemical elements we required in moon or any space planets, like we are researching on that to take products of them, and we can.
Yes, Dinesh, scientists also research their space, like recently launched ISRO, and they day-to-day updates to our people what happening in the space.
Yes, yes. And also Japan is trying to build a lift to the moon from the earth.
Yes, this is impossible, but it will be possible for if gravity is stable, then
but
Earth
in
to
space,
space.
gravity is more, but in space.
Uh,
They are
It's not
trying to
possible.
find out the gravity levels also.
there was so much of requiring of stable the gravity to moon and Earth.
Not only moon, as Mars also is trying to land the satellites. So
The satellites are giving updates for day to day. Is from this group discussion, we are going to conclude that the space exploration is mostly important for us because here on the earth we are getting more pollution, and there is a lack of oxygen to live for other living beings. Hence we have to explore the space by knowing the different levels and conditions to survive on in the space like moon or Mars, etc. Thank you.
Thank you. Right.
Okay. Okay, today we are going to discuss about space exploration. The space exploration is very crucial for us, for our development to the universe. So we in space exploration, we through the NASA, many astronauts went to the moon and Mars and researching something till now, but we don't get the complete details. And also there are other planets in the another galaxies like maybe Earth also may be there. So we can find them by exploring through the space. So what I am saying is we have to explore ourselves through the other. So when sometimes the earth may collide with the other planets, that may be a possible and that a possible thing has been there. So if we explore the other planets, then we can have a chance to go there. So what is your opinion?
Yes, yes, Sagar, you have speak about correct. Now, in India, ISRO is research about moon, and the Chandrayaan-2 is successfully reached in the moon, and research is done. The research is result is how to survive in the moon in people, and the first Chandrayaan one is reached, but they have understood the moon is successfully completed with water, and
Yeah, the future of space exploration is very bright. I agree with you. Many space organizations are trying to explore the space, uh, and there are many movies based on the space. They are directing the movies to just for a purpose, just to get the knowledge of the space. You can see that many space organizations are trying to travel. You can see NASA, and you can see a very well-known businessman, Elon Musk. He launched SpaceX, and he's trying to travel to Mars, and he want to build a society in the Mars. So yeah, it is very bright.
Yes, yes. Chandrayaan 1 is not. Chandrayaan 1 is failed to analyze analysis to the analysis on the moon, but Chandrayaan 1 is successfully completed to analysis about moon to survive people in the moon.
in the space, the moon is placed with lithium, some iron materials. That materials are placed into the earth. The thousands of years of electricity developed without any.
Yeah, you can see that there is more pollution on the planet of Earth. The water level is also decreasing. So there will be an alternative option for human beings to increase their lifespan in the other planets. So they are trying to just travel the planets so they can see is there any availability of air, water, and the basic human needs. So
Also, we can get maybe we can have the resources from the other planets and the stars that are being in the solar system. So by discovering them, we can get the fuel that maybe that may we not have in our future. So the fuels are day by day decreasing. So we may not get the may get there. So we have to discover, and our ISRO is being day by day. It is innovating, and it is taking over our NASA, and it is being challenging to the NASA. That level, our India has been gone. So we have to being interested in on that. So we. Okay, so we can conclude that we have to explore our world with a good intention and cruciality of that. So I conclude this. Thank you.
I guess we are all discussing about now future scope of
Future space
future
of
space of
space
exploration.
exploration.
So now today our Earth are slowly decreasing the benefits of our Earth, like elements like physical elements, water and the oil, and the elements in our Earth will decreasing day to day. For that reason, we are going to other planets and other sources where in space we are exploring by the spacecrafts. We are going to space and researching and come back through the research centers and discussing among the elements and climate availabilities and soil requirements in there in the spaces. So
Yes, Dinesh, what you have said is correct. Nowadays, we are suffering with the lack of oxygen because of deforestation. Many forests are going deforested by the humans for their future needs. So, to increase the oxygen, we have no space of land here on the earth. Our scientists are going to research that is there whether a living scope on the space by sending the satellites from earth. I think so that it is a good thing which they are going. We have to support them as we all are engineers. What do you think about this, Brenda?
I think that space exploration will be helpful in future generation because these pollution and these deforestation will increase in the future. Our future generation may not be able to live in this environment. So these exploration will help them to live in another planet or explore some natural resources that are available in another planet.
Yes, it was not only oxygen and energy and power also generated space exploration. So in that space exploration to inspire the other generation. So that's why.
Yes, it is right, Nikki. In future, the population also increase. There is no space to further people also. Because of that, space exploration is very important, and because of that, we research on that. And in Moon and Mars also, the we research.
Astronomy, our scientists are continuously conduct their experiments about space conditions like weather, energy, and also living in the space. They try to level best to increase the opportunity to set to live in the space.
Yes, from this discussion, I am going to conclude that what I have understood is we have, for example, we have seen that Aditya 369 movie, right? In that, either we have to live underground of our Earth or in the space. To survive our life due to lack of oxygen or which is insufficient environment to our bodies or our life. Hence, we have to explore the space for our living needs and for our society. Thank you.
Thank you.